Okay, now today let's say how to format the SD card on this camera. This camera supports 4 GB to 32 GB. Okay, now install the SD card. Open the screen. Okay, now let's play the menu button and use this stability button to T direction. Then press the down button. Press the down button until you find the format option and press OK button to choose it. And press OK to choose the yes. Then okay, we can press mode button to switch to the photo mode and then press the mode again. You can say no fail. That means your formatting is successful. Okay, thanks for watching.